Hello and welcome to Teacher's Notes. This is a short grammar presentation on reported speech. So reported speech is a type of grammar which a number of students make mistakes with. But if you just understand a few of the rules, you can learn to use this easily and correctly. And that's what we're going to do in this video. So first of all, what is reported speech? Well, I have two pictures here which will hopefully help you understand the idea of reported speech. So we see in the first picture, I like Peter. And then her friend said, she said she liked you. Okay, and in the other picture, I fell down the stairs. He said that he had fallen down the stairs. Okay, so reported speech is basically when we report something that someone else has said. Okay, we tell someone else about what someone has said. So we see here the girl on the telephone, and then the girl with the blonde hair, she reports that speech to Peter. Okay, reported speech. So here are some examples of reported speech. I like ice cream. James said that he liked ice cream. We'll go to Peter. I am going to the zoo. Peter said that he was going to the zoo. Jane. I have been to Japan. Jane said that she had been to Japan. And if you look very carefully at those, you'll notice there are some grammatical changes from the direct speech to the reported speech. I like ice cream. He said that he liked ice cream. And going to the zoo said that he was going to the zoo. Okay, well, what happens when you move from direct speech to indirect speech or direct speech to reported speech is that the tenses change, and they change in this way. Present simple, past simple. Present continuous, past continuous. Past simple, past perfect. Present perfect, past perfect. Can and will also change to could and would, although could, would, and should, they stay the same. Also important to remember is that the time also changes. So today would be that day, tonight, that night, tomorrow, the following day, yesterday, the day before, okay, and so on and so forth. So it's important that you also change the time. Well, hopefully you understand, and I've got a few questions now which might give you a chance to practice those skills. So if you grab a piece of paper and write down number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 5 sentences which I'll give you in direct speech, and I'd like you to rewrite them as reported speech or as indirect speech. So here we go. Number 1, Peter, I will call you tomorrow. Number 2, Lisa, my brother bought a new phone yesterday. Number 3, teacher, you will have a test next week. Number 4, my sister, I am busy playing Facebook. Number 5, the old man, my daughter is going to hospital on Friday. So perhaps you'd like to pause the video now as you write those sentences up as reported speech, as indirect speech. So just press pause for a minute. There you go. And when you're ready, you can continue, and I will show you the answers. You can check if you've understood correctly. So here are the answers. Peter said that he would call me the next day. Lisa said that her brother had bought a new phone the day before. Our teacher said that we would have a test the following week. My sister said she was busy playing Facebook. The old man said his daughter was going to hospital that Friday. Okay, so as you can see, in all of these sentences, the tenses change and also the times change. And that's really the most important thing to remember about reported speech. Well, I hope this has helped. I would like to thank you for watching the video. Please, please, please do remember to subscribe. We have lots and lots of videos about learning English, vocabulary, grammar, lots and lots of things. So please do check out our site, and I hope you'll enjoy